global recession. There was the threat of social dislocation posed by the 467,000 persons, the overwhelming majority of which were young people who were neither employed or looking for work. When we were in opposition, we knew the country was heading in the wrong direction. We said so, even if we did not know exactly how far down the wrong road the country had gone. We promised to fix it. Now we are in government, we are getting on with the job. Despite the challenges driven by our mission of positive transformation and service delivered to it last year, we made important achievements, even as we laid out the foundation for long-term structural economic reforms. The Jamaica Emergency Employment Program was needed. It was inevitable, and it was the correct thing to do. The G program surpassed our original phase 1 target of 5,000 persons and employed over 17,000 persons by July 2012. We are one. Some $6 billion have been allocated to phase 2, which is expected to employ over 40,000 persons. We are one. We partnered with the private sector in launching the Jamaica Employer Program with the Ministry of Labour, aimed at creating thousands of productive jobs for Jamaicans. We are working. It was reported that in the last quarter, investments are on the rise again, leading to 12,000 permanent jobs being created. We are working. In 2012, we recorded growth in the vital tourism sector. In January to November, figures revealed that Jamaica earned nearly $1.8 billion US, a 3% increase over 2011. Tourist arrivals registered a 2.3% increase, with a 1.7 million stopover visitors. We are working. We have been strategic in rebuilding Jamaica's international image. We have strengthened cooperation with emerging economies such as Brazil, China, India, South Africa, while maintaining vibrant relationships with our partners in the developed world, including Russia. Last year, the nation experienced one of the most stable periods in our industrial relationships. This is the result of the consultative and humane approach that this government, which is the largest employer, believes in.